Every Indian city is home to many villa projects from all kinds of builders. All of them provide amenities, sports facilities, clubhouse, etc. But Organo builders from Hyderabad have brought in a new dimension to community living. Projects of this builder not only have a clubhouse and a variety of amenities but also a common farming area, farmland, Goshala, a bamboo structure clubhouse, pond, other small water bodies, herbal gardens, community kitchen, total power generation with solar panels, outdoor gym, and a biopool are all their project specialities. Members of the community produce fresh and organic vegetables and fruits sufficient enough for the society residents. That too completely organic only by using all naturally made fertilizers and pesticides. And they also get all their dairy products from the Goshala that's within. They have not just cows but goats, chicken, ducks, and even turkeys. They even have bee farms. This is not just a gated community but a community with a touch of a village life. Growing your own food by being less dependent on the outside world is an idea with a great potential. Quite different from the rest of the developers, Organo guys have come up with this project that's completely immersed in nature. It's designed in such a way that you could lead a life within nature. This project is called Organo Naandi. It's near Himayat Sagar on the outskirts of Hyderabad. If you see here, this community is located in a plot of 36 acres and comprises of 73 villas. Most of it is farming land. You already know this area and all the area that comes under the catchment area of these two lakes, Himayat Sagar and Usman Sagar, is under something called GO 111. According to the government rules, in areas that come within GO 111, you can't construct any polluting ventures like factories, IT offices, or even apartments. Even in farmland, you are allowed to construct only within 10% of the total land. Same rules need to be followed for house constructions too. So, this project was built very creatively without breaking any of these rules. Villas were built within 10% of the area, and rest of the land was left for farming and other activities. Even clubhouse was built with bamboo so as to follow these rules, and this is the largest bamboo structure in India. This is probably the only project in India where farming and nature have been incorporated so well into the community living project. This is a project very suitable for GO 111 area. Power requirements in this community are also managed through solar panels, and earth air tunnel draft system is implemented to reduce AC usage and still keep the houses cool. Lots of innovations have been made to make this a great success, including beautiful gardenscapes, herbal gardens, and even personal garden spaces. We get creative when we face with limitations. I think this is the best example for that. GO 111 limitations could make this builder come up with such an innovative design. In total, this is a carbon positive society and one of the most beautiful projects in Hyderabad, and also a very successful venture. This project density comes roughly to 2 villas per acre. This builder has also come up with a similar project in Nizamabad in Telangana. Now they are coming up with similar project in Hyderabad outskirts near Chevella. Going forward, there would be a lot of demand for projects like this. Inspired by this project, other builders should come up with many more projects like these, and this idea needs to be implemented at least to some extent in all the existing projects too. So that's my update about this builder. I generally cover real estate related topics on this channel. Along with real estate, if you want me to cover any other topics, respond in the comments. If you like these videos, share them with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe.